Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Marichyasana B. In the series of Marichyasana, there are 4 variations of Marichyasana A, B, C and the D. The difficulty of this pose is depending on your flexibility on the shoulders and the trunk. It may be easy for some students and also very challenging for the others also. Let us see how to perform this Marichyasana B step by step. To perform Marichyasana B, first you need to learn Marichyasana A. Now slowly stretch your legs forward. From here, bend your right leg in the half lotus pose. Yes. After placing the right leg on the left thigh, bend your left leg and stay here. Make sure you should not wide your legs too far or too closer to the foot like this. You should be in a 1 arm distance. First, you need to sit in this pose properly. If you are sitting in this pose properly, almost the 50% of the asana is already learned by you. From here, raise your left hand forward, lengthen up your hand and slowly rotate your arm back. And right hand back, try to catch your palms complete and stay here. If you can't able to lock your palms in this way, make sure you can use the strap or else yoga rope. From here, slowly raise your chest up, head up and bend forward down and stay there. If you can't able to touch the floor, you can try to touch your knee and stay there. Now slowly come up and relax. Slowly release your palms. Yes, slowly stretch your leg and relax. Slowly shake your legs. Make sure try to practice on the both sides equally. Yes, other leg in Ardha Padmasana, left leg in Ardha Padmasana, right leg bend. Yes, now slowly stretch your right hand forward. Lengthen up your body as much as possible. Slowly rotate your arm back. Try to lock your palms complete and bend forward down and stay there. Now slowly come up and relax. Slowly stretch your legs forward and shake your legs. If you are facing difficulty in the Marichyasana B, instead of putting the leg in Ardha Padmasana, you can try without Ardha Padmasana and the modified variation of Marichyasana B. Now slowly bend your right leg next to the left hip, other leg bend and raise your left hand forward, lengthen up your hands and slowly rotate your arm back. Try to lock your palms and bend down and stay there. You might try this modified variation of Marichyasana. You may perform the asana without applying the Ardha Padmasana as I shown in the video before. Benefits of performing Marichyasana B. Release the tension from the hip, increase the mobility of the shoulders, keeps the spine healthy, stimulate and strengthens the muscles around the ribs and the back. The foot is pressing into the lower abdomen, stimulate the reproductive system, may boost its the function and helps to women who have struggle with painful menstruation. The foot is pressing into the lower abdomen, stimulate the reproductive system, may boost its function and helps to women who are struggling with painful menstruation. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of Marichyasana B. And thanks for watching this video. Till then, take care and namaste.